Hello curious traders, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing great. Today I want to dive into yesterday's DAX market action and how I traded it using my double stochastic strategy on the 1 hour, 15 minutes and all the way down to 3 minutes. Plus we got some key economic data coming out today, including US retail sales at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, followed by industrial production and business inventories later this session. I'll go quickly through on what these numbers could mean for the markets today. So yesterday was all about momentum. Looking at the 1 hour chart here, we had a strong bullish move leading up to the US session around here. The market pushed higher, breaking key resistance levels, and as expected, the price action on the 15-minute chart gave us some solid long opportunities. Let's look at the 15 minutes. And this is what the breakdown looks like on shorter time frame. So here's my first trade at the US Open. The DAX had a strong push up. I went long on the first pullback using my double stochastic strategy. Let me open the 3 minute here once more. So I was looking at these levels. Here this gave me 30 points. The stochastics aligned here perfectly, so the fast one started aligning with the slow moving stochastic. I used yesterday a slow moving stochastic value of 66, 3 and 3 and the fast moving 25, 5 for very precise entries. And the second trade, the price pulled back here, indicated by the stochastic, to the key support level and dipped slightly but remained in the bullish territory. So I entered another long position, resulting with 16 points gain here. And my third trade, a deeper pullback, bounced off another key support level, and this trade returned with 30 points altogether. It says 49 here, but that's a mistake. And the final trade was 19 points here. This was about an hour after US Open. The price bounced back again, and it was 19 points altogether. Gain for 49 points. So US economic data releases today. The big one is going to be the retail sales at 8:30. It's a big one because it shows the consumer spending trends. If the number comes in weaker than expected, the forecast is I think minus 0.2 forecasted. It could raise concerns about economic slowdown. But if it surprises to the upside, we might see some boost in risk appetite. Let's see. Industrial production and capacity utilization is at 9:15 a.m. right after that, the previous retail sales, and this will give us insight to the strength of the manufacturing sector. Business inventories will follow right around 10 o'clock, and this can impact GDP estimates if we see major deviations. So given that the market DAX US 500 has been hitting fresh all-time highs, traders I think are still in the buy the dip mode. But with today's US data we could see some volatility again, so I'll be watching key support and resistance levels, and so should you, closely before jumping in. And I think that's all for today's breakdown. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the DAX and the market that you're trading in. Stay safe in the market, and I'll catch you on Monday.